Friends, today we are going to learn how to create assembly in Solid Edge 2024. So friends, here you can see our uh, front page of Solid Edge 2024 is here. We will go to new, then click on new, and then click on isometric assembly here. Then say OK. Here by clicking on this eye logo, we will turn on our planes here. Okay. So first of all, we have to insert a part here. You can see insert component, click on it, insert component. Then you can see here there are various here we have to, as my folder is on desktop, so I will click on desktop. Okay, then here you can see various folders. Then I have to click on Solid Edge assembly, SC 2024 assembly. Here I will click it. Then first of you can see here various types of uh, parts are here, roller. And so I will first of all put this part here. Okay, so first of all I have added this part, you can see. Then again I will add two more parts here, so I will again say insert component. Then I will add bearing. Okay, so I will add bearing here, you can see. So for that I have to make a concentric to this. You can see our bearing is concentric now. Then I will match this face with this face here, you can see. Okay, so right click, and now you can click it right. Okay, so again if you see, so here you can see a small bracket around this ball bearing part. Okay, so it means that it is not fully constrained and it is moving. Okay, so it will turn round as we have not locked its rotation. To lock its rotation, you can see here by clicking on this part there are some already uh, mates we have given here. Okay, so this is rotation and this is our coincident mate here, this one, and this face is coincident. So we will go to rotation, and then here we can click on rotation lock. Here you can see a lock type logo here, and click on it. Okay, so right click, and then you can see that small bracket is gone now and our part is fully constrained. Okay, so again we will go to insert component here. Here again I will add our bearing. So I will go here and make a concentric it. So here you can automatically lock rotation here by clicking on this. So our rotation is locked. Then right click, again we will take this assemble, then click on this and this surface. Okay, so now you can see our bearing is fully constant. Here you can see our bearing is fully constant. Again we are going to add insert component here on this side. Here I will go here and then add. You can see small bracket is here because we have not lock rotation. Then we will click on that and go here and say lock rotation, and now we have to again go to assemble. Then we will click on this, and you can see our part is transparent now, and we will click on this surface. So yes, it is attached now. Okay, so you can see our part is fully constrained, bearing is fully constrained. Again I will go to insert component. and if you have similar parts, you have to add it. Then just uh, click on this part, press Ctrl and drag this part. You will again get a similar part here, but it is in a diamond mode. Here you can see it is in a diamond mode, so we have to delete this. Okay, we have to delete that relation, and then we will again able to connect this here. First of all, we will give rotation and lock it, right click, and then we will give this and this to each other. Okay, so you can see now our next is insert component. I will go to insert component and will insert circlip here. Okay, now you can see how circlip is here. Now I will give it rotation. Now you can see we have given it a rotation. Okay, and now I will made this with this. Okay, so you can see our external circlip is not yet fully constrained. So what I will do, I will go to assemble and make this face parallel to this face. And as it is in a downward condition, you can, by clicking on flip, you can flip this. Okay, you can see here it is in a above top position. By clicking on flip, again we will add insert component here, or I will control Z it and will uh, by press by pressing control, and I will drag this like here. Here you can see I have dragged it. Again I will go with concentric, then here. Okay, now right click. Now I have to make this portion here, move this portion here, then I will say assemble, then you can see here our part is fully constrained and in position. Now I will add again insert component, and this roller I will add here. Okay, so first of all I will take this here like this. Okay, so it is concentric now, and you can also lock rotation to it. Now if you want, okay, so we want this with this, you can also do that. And go here, you can see our part is ready now, is fully constrained also. Okay, so and if you want this to be symmetric, then also you can use here this command known as center plane. Okay, by clicking on that, you have to take a double. Okay, you can give this we call width made in SolidWorks. Okay, so we will select these two portions here. here you can also take a single, then we have to select this plane, then this, and then this. Okay, and now you can say show, right click, or just 1 minute, I will again do that. Double, this one, and this one. Okay friends, I think this is this command is getting a little bit tricky in this position, so I will do on the placement part. Select an element, you can select this single, we will select this. Okay, target part element, this and this. Okay, so you can, okay, so it is still, so we will go to our previous that we have created. Now we will say assemble here and just mate this with our part, and I think it is clear now. Okay, and friends, save it, save this assembly as a SE24 assembly. Okay, now it is saved, and if you want to take section of it, then go to view, then click on set planes. Okay, then select this plane, select offset as a 0, then enter, and then move this plane backward. Now you can see this is how you can take a section view. Okay, so friends, this is how you can take a section view to check whether our assembly is okay or not. You can see it is fully matched here, here also it is fully matched to our cutouts and all those things. So that's how you can check. Okay friends, so if you found this video simple and easy to learn, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you.